Hey geeks, if you are a creator, then obviously you know the challenges of creating content, especially keeping things interesting. And one of the best ways to make your videos more interesting is to have different creative shots. And there's many ways to do this, but I'm going to show you a really cheap, budget-friendly way to do it that's super easy. And that's basically using something like this. This is a selfie stick. And this will allow you to have some really nice creative shots. In some cases, depending where you're at, it can look pretty crazy. And this is something that I think almost anyone can do, but at the same time, you don't have to break the bank, because this one that I'm using is a Ulanzi MT-79. This is a very budget-friendly tripod selfie stick, and it's really technically a light stand, but you can use it for other functions, especially if you have a small device like mine, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or maybe use an action cam or even a small compact camera. But doing something like this with these type of creative shots is really easy to do, and I highly recommend you try this out if you want to create more dynamic shots and just make things a little bit more interesting. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get this stand or even the Pocket 3, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.